What's up, people? Welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. Today in this video we are going to generate views with Gee. However, in this video we will be covering the introduction to views and registering tags and assets. Let's go to our countries page, which we have over here in our browser. We are going to see the view code that you right click on your page and click on view page source. This is our views code that we see over here that key has been generated for us. So let's go to our IDE and go to views, country, and index.php. Okay, we see that Gee is kindly helping us by putting some code comments right here to remind us the variables of this view. The first comment that Gee has put for us refers to the view component. Next two comments we see two variables which are the search model and a data provider variable. Next, let's go to controllers real quick. Let's go to our country controllers. And let's see. Okay, in our action index part, right here, we have our search model and data provider, right? So in our previous video, we went over two variables that are in the controller's action index method that provide to us to a render call that we have here. Okay, let's go back to our index.php, our country slash index.php. The code comments will be helpful to many IDEs of taking to a code completion. Next, we see this title, and we see our title, which is countries. If we look at our page source, right here, we see that Gee has been outputted a corresponding tag for us, which is title, right, and a closing tag. Let's say if we change the title to main page countries. Let's save it. Let's go to our source and reload and see automatically that Gee has been automatically changed it to our current title. Okay, let's go back to IDE and then let's further down the page that we have here. We see some HTML helpers, which is right here in our first column. We see data provider, we see search models, and we see that values are passed in the column setting, which is here, that are used to generate the four data column in our countries list page that we have over here. In order to confirm that this is happening, let's comment the code column and let's save it and let's go back to our browser and reload. Now we see that our code column has been disappeared. Let's go back to IDE. The view component also let us register meta types. So after this params, let's just register some meta tags. We say this register meta tag, and instead of meta tag, we want to get an array. As an array, we want to say name, description, content, and we want to say that this is my first main page. Okay, let's save it. Let's go to our source and reload. Now we see that key has been output our meta tag, which is here, right here, after our title, right there. You can also generate links tags using any registered link tag method. If you need to provide JavaScript into an individual page, you can do it like this. Let's go over here again. Let's say this we want to refer as register JS file. If your JavaScript is located in an external file, you can use the register.js file. So I just got something like this. I got an Angular.js file. Let's do something like this. Yeah. Okay. If we want to provide Angular to our JS files, all we have to do is we gotta provide the CDN. The CDN URL. So now let's save it. Let's go to our source and reload. The script tag that is output is at the bottom of the page. So it's bottom of the page, and we see our script tag right here. We have it right here. Okay, that's it. So I hope you guys understand views in your application. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.